replacing biological neurons with digital counterparts one by one until the entire brain has been emulated. This method raises profound questions about identity and continuity of consciousness. If your brain is gradually replaced, at what point does your consciousness transfer to the digital realm? Is it a seamless transition, or is there a break in the stream of consciousness? Both methods present significant technical and ethical challenges, and it's impossible to say which, if either, will ultimately prove feasible. However, the very act of contemplating these possibilities pushes the boundaries of our imagination and forces us to confront fundamental questions about the nature of life, death, and what it means to be human. Section 4. Potential and Promise. Why mind uploading matters. The potential applications of mind uploading extend far beyond the allure of digital immortality. Imagine a world where we could explore the universe at the speed of light, unconstrained by the limitations of our physical bodies. With our minds uploaded into advanced computer systems, we could potentially travel to distant stars and galaxies, experiencing the cosmos in ways we can only dream of today. Mind uploading could also revolutionize fields such as medicine, education, and artificial intelligence. Imagine being able to instantly download knowledge and skills, eliminating the need for years of study. Or consider the possibilities for treating currently incurable diseases by repairing or replacing damaged neural pathways within a digital environment. The potential benefits of this technology are vast and potentially transformative, impacting virtually every aspect of human existence. However, with such power comes great responsibility. It is crucial that we carefully consider the ethical implications of mind uploading before we cross that technological threshold. Section 5. Ethical Crossroads. Navigating the uncharted territory of mind uploading. The prospect of mind uploading raises a myriad of ethical questions that challenge our existing moral frameworks. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of identity. If we create a digital copy of our minds, is that copy truly us, or is it a separate entity altogether? What happens to our original consciousness if we choose to upload? Do we cease to exist in our biological form, or do we now exist in two places simultaneously? The potential for immortality also raises concerns about overpopulation, resource allocation, and the very meaning of life and death. If death is no longer inevitable, what does that mean for our values, our relationships, and our understanding of the human condition? These are complex questions with no easy answers. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of mind uploading, it is essential that we proceed with caution and engage in thoughtful, informed dialogue about the ethical implications of this potentially transformative technology. The future of humanity may very well depend on our ability to navigate these ethical complexities with wisdom and foresight.